Once in a bustling little village lived a cheerful young girl named Dolly. She loved helping her father at their tiny tea stall by the corner of the street. Every morning, Dolly would wake up early, boil water, and mix tea leaves with milk and sugar, carefully brewing the perfect cup of chai. Everyone who passed by loved her tea and called her Dolly Chaiwala. Dolly's father was proud of her. "You make the best tea in town, Dolly," he would say. And it was true, Dolly's tea was always warm and delicious, bringing joy to all who sipped it. But Dolly had a dream. She wanted to do more than just work at the small stall. One day, she thought, "I'll open a big chai shop where people can sit, talk, and enjoy tea together." She could already imagine it: cozy chairs, colorful teapots, and shelves filled with different flavors of tea. One rainy day, while Dolly was serving tea to her regular customers, a stranger arrived. He was an elderly man with twinkling eyes and a wide smile. He took a seat under the small canopy and asked for a hot cup of chai. Dolly poured him a fresh cup with a kind smile. After taking a sip, the old man exclaimed, "This is the best tea I've ever tasted." "You've got a special gift, young lady." Dolly blushed. "Thank you, sir. I've been making tea for as long as I can remember." The old man nodded thoughtfully. "Do you have a dream, Dolly?" Without hesitation, Dolly replied, "Yes, I dream of opening a big tea shop where everyone can come, relax, and enjoy all kinds of tea." The old man smiled and said, "Follow your dream. Start small, but dream big. One day, your dream will come true." Dolly felt inspired by his words. From that day on, she worked even harder. She started saving all the extra money she earned from the tea stall. She also began experimenting with different tea flavors: ginger, cardamom, cinnamon, making her chai even more special. People began to notice her creativity, and soon, her tiny stall was filled with people from all over the village. News of Dolly's delicious chai spread beyond the village, and more people came to taste her famous tea. Even the local newspaper wrote an article about her, calling her the little Chaiwala with a big dream. One sunny afternoon, Dolly's father received a letter from the mayor of the town. It was an invitation for Dolly to serve her chai at the town's grand festival. Dolly was overjoyed. "This is my chance to show everyone my tea," she thought.